Hey, my name is Bailey Weiser. I'm the owner of Hello Jude Photography, a North Georgia newborn and family photography studio, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you all about a really new, exciting educational opportunity that I've created that I wanted to invite you to participate in called the Wonder Years Retreat. This retreat is going to happen in March. I'm going to outline all the details, what you can expect, and how you can grab a seat if you're interested in doing some hands-on education with me here in Georgia. Let's dive in. Okay, so what is the Wonder Years Retreat? The Wonder Years Retreat is basically a 3-day hands-on educational retreat for photographers, whether you are new to the photography scene or you're a seasoned photographer. And during this retreat, we're gonna walk through how I serve my clients from bump through the whole first year. I have my baby plan called the Wonder Year, and it is one of the most successful ways that I engage clients to return every milestone. And so during this retreat, we're gonna have styled shoots for an outdoor maternity session, an in-studio newborn session, an in-home milestone, probably like 6-month session, and then an in-studio family birthday session. So you're gonna get the whole gambit, the entire first year collection with different families, some with siblings, some without siblings, to kind of see how I shoot my sessions, how I pose my clients, how I interact with my clients, the prompts that I give, and really just to have an opportunity for creativity to flow, to see how I do things, how other photographers do things, and glean wisdom from one another. We're gonna have tutorials on wrapping newborns, posing as far as maternity clients go, how to include siblings in sessions, and how to engage families in capturing all of the chaos that happens during family sessions. And then throughout the course of the retreat, we are going to have educational moments as far as lessons go. So we're going to talk about business, we're going to talk about marketing, we're going to talk about websites and social media and all of the things. We're going to talk about pricing. We're going to talk about client experience. We're going to talk about wardrobe. So it's kind of going to be an overarching crash course on how I operate my business. So if you're interested at all about learning from me, hands-on, in person, this is a great opportunity to do that. It's going to be March 14th, 15th, and 16th here in North Georgia. We're going to have a beautiful Airbnb that we're going to stay in. So lodging and food is included in the ticket price. And during this time, we're going to do some sessions outside, some sessions inside, some in the studio, but we're going to have a lot of downtime inside the Airbnb where we're going to do educational content as well. So if you are interested in learning more about that or signing up for registration, I'm only going to offer a limited number of seats. That way we can have good one-on-one time as far as hands-on learning and education goes. So if you're interested in learning more, learning about the investment and all of the payment details and how to sign up, you can follow the link. I'm going to put it down below in the description as well as a pop-up right here. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment box, and I hope that you'll join me in March. Thanks for watching.